Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over the integration between Bold Custom Pricing and Bold Memberships. Custom Pricing integrates with Bold Memberships to give you the ability to offer product discounts to customers who are signed up as members. When subscribing to a membership plan created in Memberships, your customers are automatically marked with a customer tag associated with the membership plan. This same tag is used and read by Custom Pricing to offer product discounts to your logged-in plan members. The membership plan can also show or hide content to logged-in members on your storefront, such as products, collections, product pricing, or add to cart buttons. Combining custom pricing with this feature allows you to show certain products to your members that automatically contain a discount. Before proceeding further with the setup, please ensure that both custom pricing and memberships have been installed on your theme. Please visit our Help Center for instructions on installing both apps to your theme. With that being said, let's go through the setup of both custom pricing and memberships. Starting with custom pricing, navigate to Manage Tags. On this page, we need to create a tag. This tag is used to apply the discounts from within custom pricing to your products and will also be used by Bold Memberships when customers sign up to the membership plan. Click Add Tag and enter a tag name. Please note that you need to enter the exact same tag name in Memberships when creating your plan. For example, if I enter VIP with all capital letters, I need to also enter VIP with all capital letters for the membership plan tag in Memberships. Next, enter a default discount percentage. This field is used as a placeholder when creating new price groups in custom pricing and is also used if the Applied Discount Storewide checkbox is enabled. Next, choose whether to charge taxes for users that are tagged with your tag in the Shopify checkout. Next, enter a description for the tag. This description helps you identify this tag between other tags within custom pricing. If you would like the placeholder discount you set earlier to apply to all of your products when a customer is logged in with this tag, enable the checkbox next to Apply Discount Storewide. Click Save. Next, we need to set discounts for our products. Depending on the plan you are using, you can either create a product price group or use the detailed pricing page to create your discounts. While both methods can be used, I'm going to use a price group to apply my discounts. Navigate to Product Pricing Groups and click Create Product Pricing Group at the top of the page. Enter a name for your price group. This is an internal name to help you identify this price group between other price groups within custom pricing. Next, choose a calculation type to use for your discounts. In the dropdown, you can choose % discount, which uses a percentage off the unit price of each product, price discount, which uses a dollar amount off of the unit price, or set fixed price, which changes the unit price to a certain amount. Please note that when using set fixed price, the fixed price that is used in the price group must be lower than the prices of the products that you have added to the price group. Using a higher fixed price than what you have set in Shopify will be ignored while the price group is active. The checkbox next to Override Cents allows you to replace the cents of the discounted price to a set value. The next settings controls how quantity break discounts are handled. When Apply Customer Quantity Pricing per individual variance is enabled, customers need to purchase multiples of the exact same variance in order to receive a quantity-based discount. When Apply Customer Quantity Pricing across product is enabled, customers need to purchase multiples of the same product in order to receive a quantity-based discount. If Mix and Match is enabled, you can either create a new label that can be used in other price groups to receive a quantity-based discount, or select an existing label created from another price group. Under Group Schedule, you can set a start and end date to activate and deactivate the price group. The time used in the start and end date settings are based on your store's local time zone. Click Select Products and choose the products you would like to apply your discounts to. In my example, I'm going to select all of my coffee bag products, coffee machines, and smart grinders. Under Setup Pricing, set your desired discounts for default users and each tag present in custom pricing. Adding a 0 into any tag value will not apply a discount. Clicking the blue plus icon adds another quantity break row where you can set another quantity break value and discount for each tag. Lastly, under Group Status, click the drop-down and choose a group status. Selecting Sync on Save enables the price group when the price group has been saved if no start date has been applied, and selecting Save on Draft deactivates the price group after the price group has been saved, regardless of the start date. Click Save at the bottom of the page to save the price group. Next, we need to create our membership plan in Bold Memberships. Navigate to the Bold Memberships admin, click Plans at the top of the page, then click Create New Plan. Under Step 1, Plan Details, enter a plan name that you would like to display for all of your customers. Next, enter the same tag you used in custom pricing. The tags are case sensitive and must match each other exactly in order for the integration to work. The tag is assigned to the customer's account in Shopify once they have signed up to the membership plan. Next, enter a plan description. This description is displayed below your membership plan name and is often used to explain what you are offering in your membership plan. As an optional step, click Edit Access Denied Message to change the text that appears for non-members if they try to view members-only content. Enabling the checkbox next to Enable Trial allows you to offer a free trial for the membership plan. Customers will still be prompted to enter their credit card, but they will not be charged until the free trial is over. Enabling the checkbox next to Enable Email Verification adds an additional email input box on the membership sign-up page, which ensures your customers are entering in the correct email address. Under Step 2 Billing Options, enter a price and select the billing cycle you would like to use for your membership plan. Unchecking the box next to Forever allows you to enter the amount of payments you want to collect for each customer. After the amount of specified payments has been made by a customer, the customer will no longer pay for the membership anymore and continue to receive the membership for free. Clicking Add Billing Option allows you to enter additional billing options for your customers. Under Step 3 Registration Fields, clicking Add Registration Field allows you to collect additional information from your customers. This field is often used to collect a piece of identity from customers, such as a name of a person or pet, date of birth, gender, or a preference that relates to your membership plan. Please note that you do not have to add first name, last name, or email address as registration fields, as memberships will already have these fields present in the membership sign-up form. Under Step 4, Create Rules, you can apply rules to show or hide certain information to your customers based on the account they are logged into. To show information only for logged-in customers that have an active membership to this plan, use a Show rule. To hide information only for customers that have an active membership to this plan, use a Hide rule. Use the next drop-down to choose a category you would like to show or hide, then use the selector to choose the items you would like to show or hide. For my example, I'm going to select my coffee bag products I discounted earlier in custom pricing, and only show these products for active members to this membership plan. Click Add Rule to apply additional rules to the membership plan. Visit our Help Center for more information on using rules in plans. Click Save at the bottom of the page to save your plan, then click OK in the pop-up. Next, you need to add the membership plan to a page on your store. Click the gear icon next to a plan, then click either Get Widget or Get Buy button. Get Widget will display the membership plan directly on your page, while Get Buy button adds a button on the page that customers must click first to display the membership plan via a pop-up widget. After choosing your widget option, copy all of the code that appears on the next page. Next, go to the Pages section in your Shopify admin. Select the page you would like to use with your membership plan. On the Edit page, click the Show HTML button and paste the code where you would like the membership widget to appear, then click Save. View your page and confirm that the membership widget is appearing as expected. On my store, I'm going to sign up to this membership plan for free, activate my account, and show you my storefront before and after I am logged into my active account. As you can see on my storefront when not logged in, I can only see my coffee machines and smart grinders at the full retail price. After I sign into my account that contains the active membership, all of my coffee machines and smart grinders are now discounted, and I can also see the coffee bag products as well. And that's all there is to it. For more information on custom pricing and memberships, including this integration, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.